pinaglalaban ng aking makeup ngayon? Wala lang. I'm going to eat pizza. Ayan, parang na-perfect ko yung aking kilay. It's not that too makapal. Charrooott. Taglish, no? And I tried this dazzling thing I've got from Singapore. I'm not sure if it's really nice or I just don't know how to use it. So yes, the lipstick that I applied is like, that's how it came out. Like I've been outside for 2 hours already or more, and then this is what happened to my lips. So I don't really advise to have that one for your outside look, or I don't know, maybe it's just how it is. Hello guys! Good evening! So bago pa man ang lahat, kararating lang namin sa bahay galing sa labas, of course. Alam may galing sa loob, di ba? So, galing sa labas kami, kararating lang namin, and we got these 2 parcels. Ayan. So, kung square, alam nyo na. Meron din akong ito. So, i-unbox na natin. Madaliin ko na kasi andito yung asawa ko. Katingin sa akin. Bubuksan na natin. Ngayon, ano yung in-order niya? I bet itong isa is ano ito. Yun nga. Yung sinabi ko sa kanya long time ago. Kailangan ko ng lights. Ito kasing lights na ginagamit ko ngayon is ano siya, for study. Binili din niya yun. Sabi ko kako, nagbabasa ako ng books pero hindi nabasa sa table, doon na sa sa bed. Tapos yun, hindi ko na siya magamit. So wala pa naman din akong ring light. So I think this is the ring light that I'm waiting for. Excited. So ito na, nabuksan ko na. Ayan. Ito yung posture corrector niya. Sa likod niya kasi sobrang sobrang tangkad niya. So gumagano na yung nag-slouching. Am I right?
Yeah.
Slouching. Kung may problema kayo sa likod nyo na hindi nyo kayang mag-straight, ito. Perfect ito. Sa AliExpress lang to namin nabili din. Maganda sa AliExpress. Pagka galing sa Singapore, it's very quick. Pero pagka galing sa China, yun nga, 2 to 3 weeks yung tagal. So, yan. I don't know if it's...
This is not the one I ordered, but...
I don't know if if it's good for my husband's back, but I think this will work.
Yeah, you think?
Yeah, but you have to wear it.
Yes.
I'm vlogging lah. So yes, we'll see. Try it on.
Later on, but
just now try it.
I didn't order this one. I
ordered it for him.
He ordered it for me. She ordered it for me, but it wasn't the one that I linked to her. But fine. I won't argue, my wife is always right.
Pag nyo nang i-try mga husband, your wife is always right, okay? So, I'm so excited for this one! Talagang ika-career ko na ang aking pag-makeup vlogging. Makeup vlogging na. Yeah, yun nga. Pero, it's not just for makeup like, yung ring light. Kasi, generator yung gamit namin dito. So, pwede din namin ipang light ito. Of course. Oh! I love it. So, meron siyang ito. Wait. Because I'm still vlogging here. I'm still recording. So, this is the stand. And this is more stand, I think. I don't know. Very nice. I like the color. Actually, my husband saw a ring light in Villaggio and it cost, how much was that?
1,000 riyals.
That's around 10,000 pesos something.
13,000.
Yeah, 13,000 something. So yeah, I found this online and it just cost me like 80 riyals. So it's around
1,000 pesos.
Yeah, so it's a big discount, and he's very happy for that. He's about to cry when I said, yeah, I want that ring light in Villaggio. Yeah, okay, so we'll proceed. I don't know how to open this one. I'm so excited. It's so cute. Really, it's very useful. It's not just for makeup vlogging, but for everything. Yun nga, sabi ko, pagka magsa-shutdown yung generator, I can use this because it's chargeable. So, this is it. Ayan, di ba? Di ba yung light ko nawawala na? Hindi na charge. So, yes, ito na nga. Ayan, madaliin na natin. Wala na akong lights. Ito na yung mga kasama niya.
Isn't there a mirror there?
No. And yes, yan. Ito na yon. Yung may wrecking ball siya dyan na pwede mo i-adjust na pa ganon, pa ganyan. O, kung kahit anong gusto mo dyan. Yan. Okay. Dito pala. Dito pala i-adjust. Tapos yung ano niya is ganito, USB. So, pwede mo siyang gamitan ng power bank. Okay? So, light up na natin. Dito ba? Dito pala. Ayan. That's so... Ayun! Ang linaw. Diyos ko. Isang kwarto ko. Ayan. Dito mo i-on pala. Tapos... May nagiba ba? Ano tong parang... okay. Ayun. So, I think this one is like... I'm not sure kung ito ba ang para sa makeup or yan. Ano bang difference siya? Parang masyado namang mainit. Parang masyadong light. Ayan. Okay lang din naman. Depende na lang siguro. Ayan. Nandito yung adjustment. Kadugtong dito sa wire na ito. And ito, I think, sa mga gadgets na ito na ilalagay mo dyan, on or off, ganon. Bluetooth. Yan. So, at ito, pag-aralan ko muna kung saan ko ilalagay dito kasi wala namang panglagayan dito sa circle, sa ring light. So, I'm sure merong lagayan ito. Pag-aaralan ko lang muna. So, yes. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!
Bye!